Pairwise is a dApp designed to gather community signaling. This is an experimental platform where you, as a stakeholder, can signal your preferences on how retro funding should be distributed. This data will be directly compared with the official values distributed by badge holders in a metric round-based approach. Pairwise offers a fantastic opportunity to enable digital democracy and citizenship by expanding the number of voters. In this experiment, you, as a badge holder, delegate, recipient, or token holder, will receive different badges to signal your preferences among your peers. To start, tap on Play. Now, log in with your preferred option. And then, you need to connect your wallet with voting power once. This session will be saved, making it easy for you to vote on any other device at any other time without requiring your wallet again. Tap on Collect Voting Power. Here you can see a list of categories. Choose the categories in which you have higher expertise. Tap on Start and enter the filtering phase. In this phase, use these buttons to keep or remove projects from the list you want to rank using pairwise comparison. Filtering phase is done. Now tap on View Summary. Here you can view and edit your choices before proceeding to the next phase. Tap on Start Ranking. In the ranking phase, you are presented with 2 projects at a time from the list you made earlier. You can now start comparing the projects in pairs and signal which project had more impact. Once the comparisons are done, tap on Preview Ranking. A ranked list of your top projects can be seen here. You can click on Edit and drag and drop from the left corner to make sure the list reflects your preferences. This list can also be edited later. Before submitting, you are welcome to leave a comment and provide insights on your ranking. Now tap on Submit Vote. Your votes are now successfully submitted. Tap on Done. After ranking your second category, every time you finish a category, you'll be asked to compare the categories you had previously ranked, signal which category overall had better projects, and indicate which categories were more impactful. All your voting decisions and feedback will be pseudonymously shared via attestation, meaning your identity is protected unless you choose to reveal it. Pairwise is about collectively signaling our preferences in the areas where everyone holds expertise while sharing feedback on how to improve future rounds. Signaling your preferences has never been so easy and fun. Take part in the experiment and champion digital democracy and citizenship.